Create viral meta video ads with HeyGen AI. These 5 meta video ads generated $247,000 in revenue just last month. The crazy part, they were all created by AI in under an hour. No actors, no film crew, no editing. Today I'm showing you exactly how to replicate this using HeyGen. What's up, people? Travis here. If you've tried paying $500+ per UGC video only to have it flop, or worse, struggling to find creators who actually understand your product, this video is about to change everything. I'm revealing my complete system for creating unlimited, high-converting meta video ads using HeyGen's AI avatars. And yes, I'll show you real examples, real results, and the exact scripts that are working right now. Look at these numbers. We've tested 12 HeyGen created ads last month. Our best performer? 4.2x return on ad spend with a $12 CPM. That's better than our professionally shot content. But here's what really matters. These ads don't look like AI. They look like real people giving authentic recommendations. Let me show you exactly how to create them. So before touching HeyGen, you need to understand the 2 approaches that actually work. The iteration method, you've got winning ads, perfect. Here's what most people don't realize. Even winning ads fatigue after 2 to 3, maybe even 4 weeks. With HeyGen, you can take your proven script and create 10 variations with different avatars, voices, and settings. Same message, fresh creative. We do this weekly and it's extended our winning ad lifecycle from 3 weeks to 3 months. Next, we got the testing machine method. No winners yet? This is where HeyGen becomes a superpower. Traditional testing means spending 5 to 10 grand on different creators before finding what works. With HeyGen, you can test 20 different angles for under 500 bucks. We tested 18 different hooks last week and found 3 winners that we're now scaling. Today, I'm gonna walk you through the testing machine method because that's where most of you need to start. All right, inside HeyGen, after logging in, you've got 3 main options. I always use instant avatar for ads. Here's why. Look at this avatar library. Over 100 options, but more importantly, look at the diversity. You've got different age ranges from 20s to 60s, multiple ethnicities and accents, professional to casual settings, even seasonal backgrounds. Why does this matter? Let me show you something. Our audience is 60% women, 25 to 45, interested in wellness. So I'm filtering for female avatars in that age range with bright, energetic backgrounds. This script formula has generated over 2 million sales across 47 different campaigns. Here's the exact structure. The pattern interrupt, first 0 to 3 seconds, right? Don't start with, hey guys, that's instant scroll. Instead go, I can't believe this actually worked. Or, okay, this is gonna sound a little crazy, but, or stop what you're doing if you're struggling with blah, 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 blah. And then go with the relatable problem. This is the next 3 to 8 seconds. Mirror their exact pain point using their language. Not improve your marketing, but if you're watching YouTube tutorials at 2 a.m. trying to figure out Facebook ads, blah, 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 blah. Okay, the next step is the discovery story. This is about 10 seconds from second 8 to 18. Position your solution as something they stumbled upon, not something you're selling. So last week, my friend mentioned this program that completely changed how she runs ads. I was skeptical, but then she showed me her numbers, blah, 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 blah. The next thing is specific credibility. Seconds around 18 to 25, right? Real numbers, real specifics, such as they manage 50 million in ad spend across 200+ brands. Members get access to weekly strategy calls where they literally screen share their campaigns. And then the last 5 seconds to get to second 30, you can give a soft call to action with urgency. The next cohort starts Monday and apparently it's almost full. Just wanted to share in case anyone else is stuck where I was. So let me paste this in the HeyGen now and show you the formatting tricks that make it convert. Let me show you how to actually create a meta style video ad in HeyGen using a free avatar. No advanced settings, no complicated stuff. First, click create video, then choose HeyGen avatar. We're not using instant avatar or uploads, just the default avatar library. Pick a clean, professional looking avatar. Go for someone with natural lighting, neutral background, and waist up framing. Avoid flashy or cartoon style avatars. Simple always performs better in ads. Now paste your script. Break it into short paragraphs. Each paragraph becomes one scene. This helps the delivery feel more natural and less robotic. Set the speaking speed slightly faster for the opening, around 1.05 times, to keep attention. Keep the rest at normal speed so it sounds trustworthy. That's it, click generate. In under a few minutes, you'll have a video that looks like real UGC and is ready to test on Meta.
I can't believe this actually worked. If you're watching YouTube tutorials at 2 a.m., trying to figure out Facebook ads. So last week, my friend mentioned this program that completely changed how she runs ads. I was skeptical, but then she showed me her numbers.
Here's the exact testing frameworks we use. Week 1, launch 5 avatar variations, $25 a day each. Optimize for conversions. Week 2, kill losers, scale winners to $100 a day, test 5 new scripts. Week 3, take top performers, create 10 new variations with slight tweaks. Week 4, full send on winners. We're taking $500 to $1,000 a day budget. Here's the math. $500 testing budget finds you 2 to 3 winners that scale to 50K plus in revenue. We've done this 12 times this year. It works. Here's a pro tip. Save your HeyGen templates. When you find a winning avatar in a voice combo, you can swap scripts in 30 seconds for instant new tests. So let's recap what you're walking away with. The exact HeyGen settings for UGC style ads, my $1 million script formula, the testing framework that's generated over 2 million plus, advanced techniques nobody else is teaching, and your homework? Create 3 variations of your best angle using different HeyGen avatars. Test them this week with $25 a day budgets. I guarantee at least one of them will outperform your existing creative. I've linked HeyGen below with my exclusive template pack, 10 proven scripts ready to customize. Next week, I'm revealing how to use AI voice cloning for testimonial ads that convert at a 3x industry average. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. And question for you, what's your biggest challenge with meta video ads right now? Drop it in the comments below. I personally respond to everyone in the first 24 hours. Until next time, keep testing, keep scaling. Peace, brothers and sisters.